Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you easily control your Arduino using Python. Today, we're just going to learn how to turn off and on an LED. So for that, you can follow this diagram. After wiring, let's jump on the computer and write some code for our Arduino. The code is very simple. This code just turns on the LED when 1 is sent from the serial port and turns off the LED when 0 is sent from the serial port. Now let's write the Python program. Here you must change one thing in the program. In the Arduino port variable, you must write the port to which your Arduino is connected to. If you are on Windows, it will be something like COM4, COM5, etc. But on Mac, it will look something like you are seeing on the screen, but it will be different. So make sure you write your own Arduino port. Here you can see my Python program is running and my Arduino is connected to my laptop. Here I am using the built-in LED of my Arduino, which is connected to pin 13. Now when I enter 1, the LED turns on, and when I enter 0, it turns off. If you like the video, press the like button and also subscribe to my channel because I'm going to do